Alden, it's your update. Ito sabi sa tweet, grabe nasilip ko yung trailer ng Pulang Araw, wala akong masay. Ang ganda ng GCI. Bagay kay Alden yung role niya, pasabog to. Kaya abangan si Alden sa Pulang Araw. Pagbibidahan niyang karakter niyang si Eduardo de la Cruz. Yan, during taping ng Pulang Araw. Yan, palakad-lakad pa nga si Eduardo de la Cruz sa taping, si Alden. Ang gwapo ni Alden, oh. Ito, post ng fans ni Alden. Ano kaya yung ganap ni Alden dyan? Saka ito pa, may maswerte pa nakapagpa-picture kay Alden na sabi, Ethan, waiting sa'yo, love again, Alden Richards. Waiting na sila sa movie ni Alden. And may group picture din with Alden. Ano kaya yung ganap ni Alden dyan? Ito, post ng Casino Plus.
For me, my dream is to have sustainability in my life. Whatever I'm doing right now, I hope I can do it for at least the next 10 years without getting sick, with enjoying every moment of it. And of course, bringing smiles to people's faces as I do the things that I love to do. And of course, extend help to those in need while doing the things that I love to do as well.
Yun.
I'm very thankful to be part of the Casino Plus community as a player. I've seen people win and had their dreams come true because of the minor, major, and grand jackpot that goes up to 200 million from Casino Plus Color Game alone. And I'm grateful to witness that. My advice to these people who are chasing their dreams is never stop chasing it. Always strive hard, work hard, never give up. Put God first in everything you do, and you know it will all be worth it in the end. So just keep on chasing your dreams and work hard for it, and always do it for the good. I think it's really more of the inspiration that I'm getting from people, as much as they say that I inspire them as well in the things that I do. More than being face of different brands and being able to act on different projects when it comes to whether it may be series or movies. The purpose of my job is to really inspire people, and I think that's one of the key components. That's why I keep on chasing my dreams, is for me to be able to inspire more lives, inspire more people and make their lives better every day as they watch me on the things that I love doing, which is acting.
Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell for more update. Ito po ang Nature Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.